Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can zoom in and zoom out in your artboards on Adobe Illustrator in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your document or artboard here on Illustrator. And after that, there are two ways, guys, how you can zoom in and zoom out. Option number one would be to use that menu in the very bottom left corner. Click into that drop-down menu and select the zoom. Here, like for example, 100%, 300, you can go to these here. You can also choose the option fit on screen, or if you click into that field you may enter a custom zoom in or zoom out level, like I don't know, 75%. Press enter and that is going to apply the zoom in and zoom out. Now if you don't like working with that menu in the bottom left, guys, there's also a shortcut. So what you want to do is press and hold Alt on your keyboard and then use your mouse wheel to zoom in or zoom out anywhere you like. So move the cursor, let's say, for instance, to that example text. Press and hold Alt. Move your mouse wheel to forth, not back, and then just move closer to or zoom into that area here and zoom out by moving your mouse wheel back. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.